सो प्रिटी मच आप लोग थंबनेल देख के यहाँ आ ही गए होंगे एंड दैट्स हाउ बेसिकली इंडियन यूट्यूब वर्क्स और प्रिटी मच एनी यूट्यूब एल्गोरिदम वर्क्स. You go for a clickbait channel, you click for it, and you do want some fancy way of getting results. 2 वीक में 10 kg लूज करना, 2 वीक में 3 इंच बाइसेप में साइज गेन करना. यू पीपल आर बाउंड टू दैट एंड इट्स इनएविटेबल. दैट्स ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी.
धंधा करो तो बड़ा करो, पर सत्तम भाई वरना मत करो.
But here's the thing which works is simple, is boring, and is backed by science. So rather than going for fancy methods, you should incorporate things which actually work. However, I do have something for you which will definitely work for you. And ये method execute करने के बाद your mind would be like,
बवाल चीज है बे, साला सिस्टम मिल जाता है.
Mahadev dosto, so today's video is based on training tip rather than a video based on nutrition that I generally make. Now this training tip is not something as such magical. However, some studies shows that it's a good way to incorporate it in your training style. Even I do it in my style. और मैं अपने clients के भी plan में ये suggest करता हूँ because it's an efficient way to get some volume kicked in your training routine. Now this method is known as myoreps. So what exactly myoreps is, I will cover it in later. But who can use myoreps? So basically myoreps उन exercises में use होता है, the exercises you are comfortable in and you feel most pump in. इसको दूसरे वर्ड में एक साइंटिफिक टर्म में यूज़ किया जाए तो इसको कहते हैं स्टिमुलस टू फटीग रेशियो. जिस एक्सरसाइज का आपको अच्छा लगे, SFR. सो उन एक्सरसाइज जो कि आपके जॉइंट पे बहुत टैक्सिंग ना हो, जो आपके जॉइंट्स को पेन ना करे, एंड मोर ओवर जो मसल आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं उस पर एक स्वीट पंप आए and you can get in some good volume and not some junk volume related to that muscle group. Now these muscle group could be anywhere starting from even from your biceps to your quads. The thing is वो exercise बहुत taxing नहीं होनी चाहिए. For example, if I'm planning to incorporate myoreps for my quads, I won't do leg press or I won't do squat. I would rather do a much exercise which is good in terms of SFR, so that trade-off could be maintained, and thus I would rather do a leg extension. In the same way, I mostly incorporate it in my pec style training or in my arms training. People who are into powerlifting, even they can incorporate it in terms of supplementary exercise slash assistant exercise, for example for arms or even pecs. So again the goal is to choose an exercise which you feel comfortable in. आप वो मूवमेंट बहुत रिदमिक वे में कर पा रहे हो, ग्रोविन फील कर रहे हो, बहुत टैक्सिंग ना हो जॉइंट का, एंड it's an exercise which you can go for higher reps. So without much further ado, let's jump into the methodology, how to apply it in your training and what exactly how the incorporation of myoreps is executed. So this method is one of my favorites of the protocols, and it is similar but superior to the rest pause method because it has room for more growth and volume. So here's how it works basically. So you will start with a weight which you can easily do for 10 to 15 reps, and once you are done, then take 10 to 12 deep breaths. This should last somewhere like 10 to 15 seconds. Like 10 is better, 20 second is max, do not exceed more than 20 second. 10 is the better margin. So after 10-second rest, you again perform the same set with the same weight, but this time for 3 to 5 perfect reps, and that's you can really do. If you can do 6 to 7, then okay, you can do 6 to 7, but ideally it should lie somewhere 3 to 5 reps. Then after again you will follow the similar procedure, and you would keep on doing this thing like 10-second rest and then 5 reps, 10-second rest and then 5 reps till the moment you cannot do even 3 reps. Once you reach to a point where you cannot do even 3 reps, that's your one set of myo reps. However, I recommend 1 to 2 sets of myo reps, and it should be incorporated once per week, not more than once, and for preferably smaller muscle groups like biceps, calves, triceps, rear delts. Even you can go for larger muscle groups. So